Good morning. So we're gonna paint the 326 Power Kit today. I'm super excited for it, so hopefully it turns out really good. I just went over and scuffed everything and sanded some things down because the gel coat on top isn't perfect. So I just had to do a little touches here and there, but I think everything should be good. The only thing that I need to do is wipe down the kit with some window cleaner, and this is my favorite window cleaner. I really like this one. It's just a spray window cleaner, and then I'm gonna just do all the panels and then I can start mixing the primer. But let me show you what we're working with, because I just opened up the can of paint and look how much I have. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this is so little bit paint. So fingers crossed that it covers this whole kit. I just finished cleaning out the gun. We're not that good at cleaning it out, so it still looks super dirty, but it's clean and it's ready to get used. I'm gonna start getting the paint ready for the car. So we went to Harbor Freight and we picked up this reusable paint cups, because we always end up losing the lids. We have choke of these plastic cups, but I don't know, I guess I throw away the lids, so I always have just choke cups and no lids. So hopefully this will solve our issue and we'll always have cups. I'm trying to figure it out. So we have an adapter and I think I just screwed it onto the gun. This is how much paint we have for the whole entire body kit. So I'm hoping that this will be enough. If anything, I'll just order more paint, but I kind of want to get it done now. And then it's 2-to-1, so I just put the reducer in. I didn't realize that the cover also has a built-in strainer. The hard thing about this paint is there's choke metallic in it, so it's hard to let the paint sit. You always gotta swirl it so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom. I don't know, like that. I'm pretty sure we're ready to paint. I don't know, this seems super sketch, but I guess we'll just try it. So originally I was gonna primer everything white first, but I think I'm just gonna go for it. Hopefully it works out. I'm gonna just spray super light mist coats because this paint is really tough because of the metallic. So every little divot or scratch or stuff, it always bunches all the metallic up. So I'm just gonna do a whole bunch of soft little mist layers. I just let the first pass dry for maybe 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna spray another layer. But when I was spraying it the first time, it felt like it was super dry. I don't know what's a good word to explain it, but it just feels super dry when I'm trying to spray it. So I think that it's just open a little bit too wide. So I'm gonna close the angle of the sprayer just a little bit and see, hopefully that helps. So surprisingly, this little cup was able to paint the skirts and both the bumpers. I was really skeptical. I thought that this would only be able to paint the skirts, but surprisingly, it was enough to paint everything. And since I couldn't go ham with putting too much paint on, it made me do really light coats, and I think that's what helped a lot with the metallics in it, because usually it kind of scrunches all up together if you put too much down at one time. But since I was kind of having to ravish it, we was able to do a really good paint job. And then I even cut some slits because there was some paint that gets stuck in the lip, and I was able to use every single last drop. So now I just have to mix up some clear and we're done. I'll do number 2. clear coat overspray is Hama's, so I'm just gonna put goggles on because my eyes always get so dry. Okay, clear coat time. These bottles are actually super good. I'm gonna put you in the house though because this clear coat is no joke. Alright, so I just finished doing both of the clear coats. I did one lighter coat and then one super heavy coat, and I'm super stoked with how this turned out. At first I was thinking that the gun was spraying too wide because it felt like it was a little bit too dry, but I forgot that spraying this paint feels like spraying just glitter. Like it just feels like a glitter bomb that you're spraying, so that's why it was so thick, or I mean that's why it felt so dry. And also there isn't too many imperfections. There's this one spot right here that I must have pulled the hose or something, so it kind of took off some of the paint over here. I might do a touch-up later, but it's a bummer, but it's not too bad. But other than that, everything turned out really good. Everything looks super shiny. I painted my last kit better because I was able to paint like the bottoms and stuff, but since I didn't have leftover paint, the bottoms are still white, which isn't too big of a deal because it's the bottom of the car anyways. But I'm tired, so we're gonna call it a night and see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Stay good.